Hi, I'm Peter Arguelles. I want to answer one question for you about index universal life insurance. People say, how much money do I need to start it going? The truth is, all you need is your first monthly payment, and you can decide what you want that to be. Now, we have recommended amounts. There's a rule of thumb. You go by your age. If you're in your 20s, probably $200. If you're in your 30s, $300. If you're in your 40s, $400. Do you see a pattern here? As you get older, you need to put more in order to have the cash value grow and to have something worth hanging on to in the long run for your insurance policy. That's why we beg you kiddies out there, buy this policy while you're young. Your cost of insurance is lower, your startup cost is lower, you'll have more years to put into it, and you'll have a lot more sitting there ready for you to use for your own investments or for retirement. That's the power of the Index Universal Life. So, how much does it cost to get started? As low as $50 or $100 a month. Woo! But depending on your age, you probably want to put more. If you're only buying one for your under 18 kid, $100 is going to give them $1 million when they're ready to retire. Yes, you can buy an Index Universal Life for your son or daughter, and they'll be set going forward in life.